What's the meaning of Balkans? Balkans. Balkans.
Balkans. Balkans. The Balkans, also known as the Balkan Peninsula, is a region in southeastern Europe that borders the Adriatic, Ionian, Aegean, and Black Seas. It includes countries such as Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Greece, Kosovo, Montenegro, North Macedonia, Romania, Serbia, and Slovenia. The term Balkan comes from the Turkish word Balkan, which means wooded mountain range. The region is known for its rich history, diverse cultures, and complex political landscape. Throughout history, the Balkans have been a crossroads of civilizations, with influences from the Byzantine Empire, Ottoman Empire, and various other European powers shaping the region's culture.